Go to Portrait Art Academy for more information. This is the best online art academy in the world.
Now the face is not done, but I'm kind of sick of drawing the face. So I'm going to draw the neck area. And like I said, the neck area is a little darker than the rest. So first of all, we're going to just put this layer underneath it. Over here, it's kind of light though. So yeah, we're going to put this layer here. Just to distinguish this from the rest. And then right there. Up to here's this dark line right there. And here is this area. And this is very dark. Just color this in. Just try to go with that shape. And then here it's also a little darker. Here also just kind of gradually goes to a lighter area. So we could definitely cross-hatch a bit there. Underneath the chin there's like this bow here, or we call that shape, whatever. Arch, it's an arch. Goes over there. And there you can see that, yeah, this also should be, the ear should even be a little grayish, right? Yeah, all of this can be light gray. And try to stay within these lines. This also needs to be a little darker. This could be a little darker. And over here, now we have this going on. Trying to go with the direction here. And here, it's a little thicker, it's a little darker right there. With the shirt here. And all of this is just really dark. Here's a little lighter. Just trying to get that area in. Yep. Yeah, you just draw a lot of lines. Try to mix them up a bit. Try to find the direction. If you can't, that's okay. But be intentional about it. Sometimes, I mean, it's just, you can't smudge it, so it's all going to be lines. And so if you look at it from a distance, it looks great. If you look up close, you see all these little lines here, you're like, hey, that doesn't make any sense. But that's okay, you know, that's what ballpoint kind of is. And yeah, like I said, you can also use stippling techniques. And you get a very different effect, maybe a bit more realistic or photographic, but also takes a lot longer to do. And I don't think that's necessary in all areas. That would be kind of a waste of time, I think. It just depends. And then you have these people on social media saying, this took me 100 hours. I'm like, okay. So that means we have to watch, right? So if you put a lot of time into it, then we have to watch your video. I'm going to do that too from now on. Like, this took me 1,000,000 hours. I hope you like it. There we go. So don't go away. Wait until the end. Social media, man, it's tough. So recently, I started drawing people in public and get their reaction. And I was like, this is a golden formula for success because, you know, people love reactions. And there's this guy from the Subway Portraits who got 30 million followers because of it. I'm like, hey, I can do that. You know what I got? 5 new followers or something. And then and a few likes and a few hundred views. That's it. That's all I got. Not 4 million, 400. Not even 400, more like 200. So there's a big luck element in social media. Just letting you know. You can't control it. Timing matters, and nobody knows exactly how to timing. Sometimes it's jumping in early on the newest platform. Sometimes it's, I don't know, just, you know, the content itself. But anyway, I don't want to talk too much about that because that's not what you're here for. It's not like I know the secret. I know some things probably work better than others, but nobody knows exactly. You just have to have really good videos and something that draws attention, but even then, like, there's a luck element to it. There we go. Yeah, the neck. Yeah, pretty much like this area. It's very dark. Maybe a little darker. Maybe this, a little darker. Also, this needs to be grayish. Like I said, that's definitely one of the most time-consuming projects I've done recently. Here's this pattern in the shirt. Not really going to finish that. Not over here either. I don't really want to focus too much on the shirt. There's a line right there, which lines up with that eye here, almost. Yeah, if you squiggle it a little bit, then it looks like it's an actual line there. But that's about it. And so, why did I do that? These little, I don't know. So, I'm gonna make this a little grayer, or bluer actually. And then I think the neck area is basically done. I'm going to squint my eyes one more time and see if I got the right shadows, if the contrast is good enough. Yeah, it's there. A little bit over here. Squint your eyes and compare. It's the secret technique, is squinting your eyes. Yeah. And we got these areas right here. And this, I feel like this still needs to be a little darker right here.